Hello guys, this is the 15:05 South Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to London Waterloo, pulling into Mitchell Dever. The echo is kind of bouncing off that.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
That voice is funny. That one, isn't it? And this is going to be formed over a triple-headed 450 again. So, and 1510 is going to be a double 450. I wonder if the 1510 was meant to be formed of 12 and then was short formed.
Maybe.
Right. We need to get all three numbers.
Right.
They'll be coming in nice and slow anyway.
Oh yeah.
Because this is a stopper.
Of course.
Woking and London Waterloo. This train has 12 carriages. Change at Basingstoke for services to Andover and Reading. Change at Farnborough Main for
It does it
local
for the
bus
stoppers. It actually does it when it's really close. 415 in the lead. Thought that would have been repainted. And then middle, and then we'll get the back one when they pull away. Ooh. That's cool, last door's there. Next stop on this service is Basingstoke. Seems going to use the thing. Actually, there seems to be someone else doing it down there. That's odd. Oh, and then he did it. How odd. There must be a station staff member down there then. So, this service is ready to go. How odd. That's a perfect place for a join.
Yeah.
They must have joined them at Portsmouth. Now say, quick filming tip, yeah. If you're getting like a long service, when it gets to about here, look. And then 002 trailing. I've seen 450 009 as well at Brockenhurst.
Okay.
So that's almost like a song, isn't it?
Yeah.
How weird. Or https://www.southwesternrailway.com/engineering/June-summary/ and yeah, the next one will be the 1510, which we're going to get onto. So thanks for watching our videos from Mitchell Dever. Overall, it hasn't been too bad, has it?
Nice.
And there's been, for first time users of this station, I would recommend, but only if you don't mind kind of waiting for too long. It's quite a nice area overall while you're waiting for your train anyway. But yeah, it's quite a nice area, and then they've got a little road over this side, so that's it.